All right, instructors, this game is called Sparring. So this is a really good game to have students play who are just kind of learning how to spar. If you want to change it up and do something fun instead of just doing traditional sparring, this is a great one to do. You can also do it with the beginner class if you want to kind of get them ready for sparring as an alternative to capture the flag. It's also a great thing to do if some of your students in class don't have gear and you need something for them to do while the other students are sparring. So here's how it works. You have two people going at once, two flags in their belt. You see them here. You have one blue target and 4 sticks going out from each corner. You can use noodles. We have plenty of equipment, so this shouldn't be a problem to be able to set up. So we're gonna face each other, just like this. Nick's gonna be back, so we're not too close to the sticks like this. We're not touching them, we're back here like this. So there's 2 ways that you can win this game. The first way is moving around and trying to get your opponent's flag just like this, but you have to get 3 points to win. So if you get 1 flag, you get 1 point. And obviously if you get the second flag, you get 2 points, but you might be wondering, how do you get the 3rd point? Well, I'm glad you asked. So, how you get the 3rd point is you have somebody else, a volunteer or an assistant. This is a great way to include your assistants in the class too. Holding, Nick, can you grab those clock targets? Thank you. So, you'll have another assistant just kind of walking around, or it can be you as the instructor. And whenever you hit the targets together, yes, you're both going to race, and the first person to step on the blue target gets the point. So, this drill is super good for teaching circling, which is a big problem in sparring, students not knowing how to circle, just backing up and going forward. So it's teaching you how to circle, because you can't touch the sticks. You also can't jump over the sticks. You have to stay back like this, so we're just circling, boom. Also try to encourage the students not to shuffle like this. Try to teach them to keep one hip towards the center, and you're going around, you're trying to get the flags, right? Nick might try to get one of mine. There goes, great, might try to get one of his. Okay, just like that. Whenever anybody hits that target, you charge forward, and in that case, Nick would get the point. So that's also practicing that reaction time, getting in there, charging towards your opponent. So you're practicing defense, circling, and also offense, hitting that target. Students really like this game. Like I said, it's a great one to do to try kind of teach them the skills needed for sparring. All right, spider sparring, that's it.